How to resize images in Canva. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about resizing images in Canva. So now let's get started. First, go to canva.com, log into your account, go ahead and tap on create in the top left corner of the screen. Select any layout or sizes that you want. Now go ahead and upload any image that you'd like to. Now right click on it and tap on set images background. The image will automatically resize to fit into the frame. If you want to further resize the image, you can use the small circles in the corner of the photo and then click and drag these to change the height or width of the image. Double clicking the image will show you the full image, and you can click and drag to position the part of the image that you want to show. Once you're happy, release the mouse button to resize it further and crop it to your liking. Click on done in the bottom left corner to save your changes and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.